Hey guys, welcome back to Quincy's Naturals, and to my new subscribers, I see you all. Thank you so much for joining the family. Thank you for subscribing. So I'm Teresa and I make natural hair videos, do it yourself concoction for to promote hair growth, moisture and volume. So today I'm going to show you guys how to make a bald head oil for hair growth. So basically I use this on my edges, or I use this as an overnight oil treatment to stimulate hair growth. So in the morning I wash it off. So basically this is what this oil can do, and if you have bad hair, you try to use this if it works for you. This hair oil is rich and packed with amazing hair ingredients that promote hair growth, shine, and prevent hair loss. As in, this special oil has two layers, the top and the bottom. So what I actually do is I use the top part as my oil, I just gently extract it away. Then the bottom part I mix in my deep mask. They are all good.
There's a distance between us. It's getting hard to reach out. Haven't seen you in seasons, but all I hear is your voice. I know my limits, you can break me down, but I'll stay till the finish line. And I've been counting minutes for quite some time now, just to see you again. And I've been counting days to get away, to see you again, see you again. Been finding ways to get away, to see you again, see you again. We got millions of reasons to let it all go. Hope we're not too broken goes so fast, all tied up like a captive. I'm on to you. Used to pay my life, standing on rainbows, playing it cool. I haven't felt this in ages, and I know no patience. So won't you please stay a bit longer? You're making me stronger, making me stronger. Stay a bit longer. You're making me stronger, making me
So guys, we've come to the end of this video. Thank you for watching to this point. So this is how the oil looks like, and as I said at the beginning of this video, the upper section I gently extract it out, and then the bottom part I use it and mix it in my deep conditioner and apply on my hair. I already told you guys this oil I use for my edge, to go on my edges, or I use it as a deep oil treatment overnight and then I wash it in the morning. But you can also leave this for as long as 2 days and then you wash it off. So this is how this oil looks like. It's really good for your hair. Use it. Try this on your bald scalp especially, and you thank me later. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell, and like this video. See you guys in my next video. Bye.